Hello students, my name is Mohammad Fariduddin. Today I am teach you chapter 1 Python revision 2 part 4. Let's start to our topic. First is statement flow control. Okay, statement flow control, it may be executed sequential, selectively or iteratively. Iteratively means loop. Every program language provide construct to support sequence, selection or iteration. Okay, there are two things. First is conditional and another is loop. A conditional statement is a statement set which is executed on the basis of a result of a condition. Okay, in those I have to show the repeatedly a statement which has executed repeatedly until the condition is satisfied. So first all of thing is compound statement. What is compound statement? A statement represent a group of statement executed as a unit. Okay, it means here a statement, the contained statement are not written in the same colon as the conditional statement. Okay, in those rather they intend to write and together they are called a block. First line of command statement, the header contains colon. Okay, it is very important for this condition statement. And if at the end of it, I show in your example, there is a compound statement. If num1 num2 is less than num1, showing a colon. Okay, here colon is to be performed. The colon at the end of the header line means at its compound statement. Every compound statement they have must be colon. Okay, now the next statement is belonging to T and also T. First is T is equal to num2 into num2, that is num square, num2 square. Then another is T is equal to T plus 10. So print both num2, num1 and T. Okay, here is the example of a compound statement. Next is simple statement. Any single executable statement is a simple statement. I underline those line. Any single executable in statement, simple statement in Python. Okay, now what is empty statement? It means they have no any statement is to be passed. Here we have to be shown a pass. Okay, in those the simple statement is empty, means no any value is to be stored. Okay, in Python any statement using pass statement means those are pass statement is empty statement. So very important, our next topic is if conditional. Okay, because in those chapter the last topic is this if condition, else condition, elif conditions and jump statements and loop. So these three content here is to be studied. Now first is if statement. In those two form, first is plain if conditional and another is if else conditional. Okay, and also write if elif conditional. One by one I have to be discussed in this video. And if statement test a particular condition, if the condition evaluates true, means if any condition those are true, so we have always use if condition. Those are shown in flow chart. Okay, the condition is true, the body will be executed. Then the value is, statement is false, means if a is greater than b, okay, but you have entered the value is, those value is greater b, so this is the false condition. So those are stored in the else condition, else statement. Okay, so here we have to be right this structure. Okay, this flow of chart, text expression, condition is false, body of else. Understand? So here is shown in the form of syntax. If write a condition expression, colon, write a statement in the particular block, and those are the only statement if is true. If only if the condition is true, then else we have to be use the else condition. Okay, if else condition, only if condition, if equal to a, print this, if a greater than b, to print this condition. Okay, understand? The next is the if else conditional, those I simply discussed. In those, if condition follow the true statement, else condition is follow the false statement. Okay, understand? So I discuss in our next page. In those, here the syntax of if and else condition. There the if syntax in general form, the if else statement. First is block is if condition mention and with colon, statement and statements, those are the if condition. Next is else condition, those are followed false condition according to if condition, because if store the true values but else store the false statements. The number of statements is here, those are stored in else statement. For example, if a greater than or equal to 0, okay, then print, this statement is to be print a is 0 or positive number. Okay, then if less than or equal to 0, only if less than or equal to 0, then if a greater than or equal to 0, the condition is followed by else, print a is a negative number, it is shown the value is the negative number. Okay, next is the if elif condition, if elif conditional. Okay, in those, when control reach else, that is condition test in the form of else if, okay, continuously using if else, those in the form of written as elif and also written in if elif else statement. Here the syntax of elif statement. Okay, there, and also written is if elif else statement. Elif statement continuously, else condition are stored in the if condition. Those are the clarification in our next slide. Okay, this is the program. In this program, we have to mention integer range from 0 to 999 and prints the integer entered 1 to 3 digit number. Okay, the first you enter the number because you give an input. Okay, input, then also you describe the if condition. If number is less than 0, then you print invalid entry, means -3. -3 you will be enter as output. The result is invalid, range is 0 to invalid entries. Okay, those result is mentioned, those printed. Valid range is 0 to 999. Okay, next is elif condition. Elif, else if condition is written as elif in Python. Num less than 10, here is 0 and here is 10. Okay, print, the value is printed, single digit number is entered. His message is to be passed, single digit number is entered. Okay, here mention it, enter the mention the fourth. Okay, so single digit number is entered. Those are stored in the value if num is less than 10. The number is entered is 4, those are less than 10. Okay, next is elif number less than 100, because you have to be entered 1, 2 or 3 digits number. Okay, here is mentioned 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so the number is entered 3 digit 100, 3 digit number is entered. Here is the message is 3 digit number is to be mentioned. Those are the condition if the condition is in a true form. Okay, next is elif number is less than or equal to, less than 999 or 999. The message is to be print, 3 digit number is entered, those are shown is 100. Okay, enter number 10, those message is written in else. Na? So the result is invalid entry, valid range is 0 to 999. The message here is to be passed, the last line is enter a number, there is 4 digit number, so those are gone in else condition. Where else, those are not if else condition. Okay, elif is not to be passed, then is go to else condition. Understand? So next is nested if. In those if statement, the if statement are used in the number of blocks in a particular program. Okay, in a one program, if condition have used multiple time, those are known as nested if statement. Okay, there is